Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another episode with Brendan standing in his garage slash driveway. I just wanted to do a quick video today because I just picked up a new truck for myself. Now, don't get your hopes up. It's nothing too cool. I was saving for, I was gonna get a couple-year-old truck, but found this truck, fell in love with the looks of it. So that's it, I guess. So I finally got it. Hopefully I didn't give you a glimpse. But got a truck. I needed something for hauling the quads up north. I've been doing it with the Kia, as you guys know, my daily driver. So finally got a truck, and it's pretty clean. And I guess let's just, you guys ready? Okay, here we go. And oh, boosh. All right, guys, it's a 2002 F250. Don't get your hopes up. It is a boom Triton V8. It's got the 5.4 in it, which I've heard a lot of good things, a lot of bad things, but my personal experience, love the 5.4. I have nothing against it, so hopefully everything goes well, as I'm sure it will. Came with these brand new wheels and tires on it. It's pretty clean. It's got very minimal rust for a Michigan vehicle. Rockers are pretty good in her. Interior was pretty clean, but then I started cleaning it and I got it, I got it extra clean. So interior is pretty nice. I can get the keys out here. She's only got 80,000 miles on her, and I don't know where the keys are right now. Oh wait, here they are. I instantly found them. Let's go ahead and start her up. I haven't started her up in a couple days. And boom. She's got 80,000 miles on it, which is pretty sweet for a 2002, I believe. Oh yeah, I just got her all signed up for this video. She's looking good. Came with I've never had one of these on a truck, but I got one and it's pretty sick. It's like, oh yeah. Oh yeah, but yeah, that's it on that. Bed's pretty nice. She sounds pretty healthy, and yeah, I think that's it, guys. So I took a couple little montage videos, so I'll go ahead and throw that in, and hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Definitely I got a lot of ideas for this truck. I definitely want to do like 6.4 mirrors, different grille, different headlights, tail lights, obviously that like third light up there, I want to do that. And I don't know, maybe lower it, maybe lift it, I don't know. Leave what you think I should do in the comments below. And you're definitely going to see a lot of this truck on our Instagram, so make sure you follow our Instagram at BrogueMisfits_crew_, which will also be a link in our description. And yeah, that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. Next video we should be at the shop, probably working on Josh's Jeep or something, so don't forget about that project. And as always, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.